Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to make a video on how to create a disinfectant liquid which you can use to disinfect your door handles, your fridge or any other metallic or wooden surfaces, as well as you can use this liquid to disinfect vegetables or anything else which you have brought from outside before entering your room. You can also use this liquid to disinfect your mobiles, your purse or anything else. Now this formula which I am going to show you has been suggested by CDC as well as WHO. So we are going to use their formula to create a disinfectant liquid using our household items. So let's not waste time and directly go into the video. So what we need is, we need 3 parts of distilled water, 7 parts of rubbing spirit, 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. We are going to mix all of that in this container and then we are going to put it inside. Let's start. So this bottle contains 400 ml of rubbing spirit. You can see over here it is written 400 ml. So I am going to use the whole bottle, and based on that I have already used some of it. As you can see, it is a little bit empty. I have used some of it. So I estimate this is around 370 to 375 ml of liquid is left in this one. So if that is 7 parts, then I am going to mix 3 parts of water. I am going to add approximately 140 ml of distilled water. To that I am going to mix this whole bottle of spirit. So first let's measure out the water. So right now I have 120 ml of water, and I have approximately 375 ml of the spirit. Based on that I am going to add a little more than 140. So I am going to fill up approximately 20 to 30 ml. It is not completely 30 but little less than 30. So I am going to add it. This is completely based on approximations. So this is done. I have measured out the water and I am going to use the whole liquid. So right now I can directly put the water inside this one. So let's do that. In order to put that, I am going to take an old bottle. As you can see, this is an old Colleen bottle. I have cleaned out the bottle, and right now I am going to add As you can see, I have already poured the water inside this bottle. Now I am going to add the whole of the liquid. Let's add it. Right now I have added almost the whole of the liquid, only a little bit is left, but I will keep it for later. Right now what I am going to do is I am going to add 1 teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide and 1 teaspoon of glycerin into this liquid. So let's do that. Now I am going to add the remaining rubbing alcohol, rubbing spirit into this bottle. My bottle is full. Now I am going to close it tightly and then shake it. Now your disinfectant solution is ready to use. If we see, yes, this is our disinfectant solution. You can use this to disinfect your hands. So guys, that is how you create a disinfectant liquid at your home using homemade supplies. Here 2 things are important. One is a rubbing alcohol and another is hydrogen peroxide. If you don't have this at your home, you can get it at any of your nearest chemist shop. And another thing is the pure glycerin, which I have used. In case if you don't have a pure glycerin, you can just omit that, or if you have some other kind of glycerin, that also works. The importance of glycerin is to make the solution gentle to your skin. So even if you don't have a pure glycerin, that should be fine. And even if you can't find a hydrogen peroxide solution at your nearest chemist, that should also be fine.
Hello guys, this is Kaiju
And this is Angry Wife.
from We Thoda Hatke. If you like our videos, subscribe to our channel
And click on the bell icon
to get notified of our latest videos.